Hello and happy holidays. It's Phil from Projection Reviews. I get asked a lot about gifts for the holiday season, and I find myself recommending BenQ projectors many times. And that is because BenQ projectors offer outstanding performance at a great and affordable price. For example, the HT3550 is my favorite home theater projector under $2,000. This is because it delivers accurate color and great black levels for a very good price. So whether you're looking for a projector for backyard movie night, for an office space, or even a home theater, BenQ probably has an option for you. This year, BenQ is introducing smart versions of some of their most popular projectors. I actually talked to Bob Wodak from BenQ about why BenQ has decided to add smart functionality to several of their projectors. You guys are announcing several models, or a couple of models, that are powered by Android TV. Can you talk about some of the benefits of that?
You know, I talked about simplicity with the wireless presentation in the meeting room. Well, why don't we do that in the house, right? Why don't we have a single remote control that enables you to not only turn on your projector, but also access your content? And the simple thing to say, hard thing to do. So what we did is we used our expertise in the Android operating system and the integration of all the different technologies to be able to put this together. So now on the mainstream home theater projectors that we are currently selling today, you'll now have the opportunity to layer in and get an I version that enables you to, with a single button click on your remote control, watch the NBA Finals, or a TED Talk, or in my case, the 477 episodes of Psych, where you're looking for the pineapple at each one on the Amazon Prime streaming service. So you know, a lot of people have two remotes, like you might have an Apple TV remote, you might have a TV remote. You know, you see this in the televisions where you're starting to see smart TVs. BenQ is an innovator where we're actually putting this same technology into our projectors, the same way you might want to have on your TV. Reduces the size of your rack, makes it simple to use, and it doesn't require a PhD of programming to be able to make work.
I'm looking at putting a projector in my bedroom, and one of the things I want, it has to be smart, because all I want to do is just get it up on the ceiling or put it on a stand and drop the screen down. And I don't want to have, all I have to want to worry about is getting power to it, because everything else is sent to it via Wi-Fi. No more, and I don't have to have multiple remote controls that I have to show my wife how to use, or my family how to use, and it just makes the world a better thing. Having it built in means one remote rules them all. Most people, I'm technically savvy, but I would much rather just have one remote to do everything. Access the settings and find my YouTube. I don't want to reach for multiple remotes. I don't want multiple remotes on my coffee table. And that's one of the benefits of having it built in, right, Bob?
Yeah, exactly. And the other thing is, do we buy packaged media now for movies, or do we stream it?
Yeah.
Right. So a lot of projectors just still are in the mindset of being passive devices. They just give me content, versus the reality is we have a computer in these things. We have memory, we have the ability to do this. We can make it easier and a better experience for somebody to be able to access streaming video. Maybe you want to use a Blu-ray for some movies, but you know what? If you want to watch a rerun of Christmas Carol or some of these movies that are on the screen here, it's just easy and fast.
Yeah, exactly. Because I mean, like, for example, I have all of my 4K Blu-rays of the movies that I'm really hardcore. But last week we were talking to the kids about Bill and Ted's, what's the first Bill and Ted? The kids don't really care that the Bill and Ted is being streamed and it's slightly compressed, but they don't care. It's Bill and Ted, okay? So they're not. So there's some. I just wanted to get Bill and Ted right now because we were talking about the new Bill and Ted, which we looked at in 4K, and they said, "Who's Bill and Ted?" And we go, "Oh my gosh!" So off we went down the content rabbit hole, and that allows you to go back and revisit all of those classic movies because of the convenience of it all. There's lots of smart operating systems available. The BenQ units actually use the Android TV interface, which I like. One thing is it's a well thought out user interface with tons of applications. Over 5,000 different apps or games you can utilize, and it includes a lot of the most popular streaming services. You can actually cast from your Chromecast enabled mobile device to the projector. So find some piece of content on your phone, you can quickly send it over to the projector. It also gives you access to Google Assistant, where I can actually utilize my remote control and ask it to turn the lights on and off. And I can also search for content using Google Voice. I truly believe that smart projectors are the future, and there's some serious benefits to having the smarts built into your projector. Number one, many of us actually utilize smart services such as Hulu, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus. I used to have a bunch of cable boxes throughout my house, but now many smart devices, I can actually access those services without having to have the cable box. So instead of you having to have a Spectrum or Time Warner cable box, you can just have the app built into the projector. Also, you're starting to see a lot of movies being released directly to the consumer on the same day it is launched in the theater. For example, movies like Mulan on Disney Plus. And we also cannot overlook the announcement from Warner Brothers about HBO Max, where they're going to be releasing all of their movies on HBO Max the same day they come out in theaters. So I'm going to be watching Wonder Woman on my large projection screen on Christmas Day when it comes out. So many movie studios now are releasing movies simultaneously for the home and the theater. We want to keep you up to date. So BenQ is sponsoring a section on our homepage where we're going to put all of these new releases, what dates they come out, as well as what services they will be available on. So stay tuned. Since BenQ has multiple smart projector options, I talked to Bob about which customers each projector is intended for. Let's talk about the difference between the three, because the customer that these are designed for varies, hence the reason why there's three projectors. The HT3550, who is that customer? Who is that designed for?
That's your home theater customer. So hence the words HT. And because the home theater customer with sites like Projector Reviews, they look at all of these small, minute details, right? It's sort of like when you're watching a food show and you're seeing one of these judges break down a dish, and there are things in there that you never even thought about as a normal person that eats regular food when you hear all of the things that they do. So this is our foodie projector line, if you will.
Yeah, and it has a dynamic iris for the better black. And I think it's one of the first. It has dynamic iris, right? I think it's one of the least expensive projectors I've ever seen that has that type of capability. So great blacks, accurate color.
So it's designed to assume that there's a dark theater and that you're a foodie projector connoisseur to get one of these things.
Yeah. So it has all the tricks that we were talking about. As you spend more money, they start adding things like cinema/color filters to whiten the colors. They add things like dynamic iris. And normally, if you look at the features that are built into this thing, it's pretty amazing. This is more about that dark room. I'm concerned with blacks. Color is everything guy. What is the TK850 for?
TK850 is the 4K version of the sports room. If you want to watch the Super Bowl or you want to watch your team on a 125-inch screen and you don't have the option to turn that room dark, this projector is designed to be able to be bright, easy to see, and be able to effectively fight off ambient light. So we retuned the color palette because now we're assuming instead of a dark room, we're going to have other light come in, and then we can do some tricks with the colors and everything like that to be able to compensate it so that in that room, the picture looks perfect. Now, if you were to take that projector into your super dark home theater room, you're going to say, I'm not sure I like this as much as the other one. But a lot of people in the Midwest have basements, and those basements have windows, and they don't shut the windows off. They kind of want a little bit of ambient light in the room. This is perfect for that.
Yeah. One was about home theater, and one was about the sports guy. What is the TH series for, the TH685? Who is that for?
So same basic audience as the TK850i, the middle one. But the resolution on this one is the 1080p chip, 1080p resolution.
Okay. So the other
So
two are
it's designed.
4K. The other two are 4K.
Yep,
This is 1080p. Okay.
exactly. It's designed to be the all-around 1080p projector, perfect for TV, perfect for streaming, perfect for watching sports. It's not going to do the 4K resolution.
Is this one of your more gaming ones that has one of the bigger gaming advantages as well?
There's a lot of games that these projectors make it a lot more fun to play, like your console games and other things like that, where it's not 1 millisecond, but it's much faster than the 40 or 50 milliseconds you would have on your traditional projector. So this is
Yeah.
one of our first projectors that's designed to be able to close that gap to where I wouldn't call it professional gaming, but it's fun. And
It's competitive. It'll keep you.
competitive.
It'll help you hang with your boys. You know, he has a TV,
Yeah.
you have a projector. You're not at a disadvantage. One thing I do want to point out too that people don't really understand when it comes to game lag on a projector. Every time you add a level of processing, it's like it has to take a longer journey. All right. People say, well, this is HD. Well, actually, HD is helpful when it comes to its lag when you play most gaming systems, because most gaming systems are outputting at their higher frame rate gaming at HD. And HD to HD means I don't have to do the 4K, the HD to 4K up conversion, which adds time. Okay. So a lot of times that's why if you look at the ones that are really fast everybody uses what's called a Bonar lag tester. A Bonar lag tester tests in HD. So the HD ones are always going to do better on a Bonar lag tester than a 4K because it has one less step it has to do. All 4K projectors have to display everything at 4K. So the lag tester comes in at HD, it skips all the process except for the HD to 4K up conversion. The only time that a 4K TV could hang with a HD projector is you have to keep the resolution the same. If I have a 4K game playing back on a 4K projector, I can skip the up conversion and the game lag goes down. But most of you guys are gaming in HD. Period. I don't care if you have a brand new a current PlayStation or a current Xbox, and this is going to give you advantage over even a 4K TV because the 4K TV has to upscale. So if you want kind of an edge, a lot of times the projectors actually on an HD game respond faster than a 4K TV, and you will see them before they see you, and you can kill them before they kill you. That's one of the reasons why having an HD based projector for a gaming projector keeps the cost down and makes it faster, and that's why this projector is one of the leading selling projectors out there. As I mentioned, BenQ offers both smart and non-smart versions of their most popular projectors. Starting with the HT3550i. I indicates that the projector has smarts built in, so it has Android TV and all of the functionality that makes an HT3550 great. The first thing, wide, accurate color. By using a 6-segment color wheel, it can provide a wider color gamut. In fact, the projector comes color calibrated from the factory, and you even get a little sheet that shows the performance of your individual projector. This unit also offers great blacks because it is one of the least expensive projectors that I have seen that actually includes a dynamic iris. The HT3550i currently retails for $15.99, while its non-smart brother retails for $14.99. So there's a $100 difference between the smart version and the non-smart version. The TK850i also retails for $15.99, and its non-smart version, the TK850, sells for $14.99. As you can see, it's only a $100 difference between the smart version and the basic version, and I truly believe for $100 it is worth every penny. Lastly, there's nothing like gaming on a gigantic screen. So for you gamers out there, there's also another great BenQ projector called the TH685i, and this is designed for gamers. It delivers 3,500 lumens of light, so it works great in a room with lots of ambient light. It also can deliver an extremely low lag of 0.83 milliseconds while playing content at HD at 120 frames per second. While it's an HD projector, it is still HDR compatible. So if you just went out and bought one of those brand new PlayStation 5s or one of those high-end Xboxes, you can enjoy 120 frame per second gaming in HD with HDR, which is a truly amazing gaming experience. And lastly, it has all of the Android TV functionality. So you have access to all of the smart services and all of the benefits that the smart functionality brings to the projector. I think this is a great option or a great gift for someone who just went out and got a Xbox or a brand new PlayStation 5, because it will allow them to play HDR gaming at 120 frames per second. And even though it's still in HD, it's still going to be an amazing experience. Now, we could talk forever about all different projectors that BenQ offers, but I think these three projectors are great solutions. So whether you're looking for a home theater application, a projector you can use anywhere in your home or maybe in your den, or you're a gamer and you're looking for an outrageous gaming experience, BenQ has a solution for you. So take care and happy holidays.